What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now we're going to look at this tablecloth right here that basically comes in this package. As you can see, just going to unbox it. So the material feel pretty great, looking something like this. As you can see guys, I'm just going to spread it on our table to show you guys basically how it's look. As you can see, happy birthday. Just going to install it on the table right now. And this tablecloth guys, looking pretty neat. As you can see right here, install on the table, so we can basically use to decorate the table for any birthday party. Understand? Looking pretty neat. And this is the size. This is a normal table right here, and install pretty neat. So guys, as you can see, this is how it look on the table right here. Pretty neat if you ask, and love the decor. I love the color, the blue and the white going right here.